Today, let's delve into 2 Chronicles chapters 21 to 24, an intense narrative of leadership, legacy, and divine justice. It begins with Jehoram ascending the throne of Judah after the death of his father Jehoshaphat. Jehoram, however, does not follow his father's righteous path. To secure his reign, he executes his brothers, sparking turmoil in the kingdom. His wife, Athaliah, daughter of Ahab and Jezebel, influences him to embrace idolatry, provoking divine wrath. Jehoram's reign is marked by disaster. The prophet Elijah delivers a letter warning him of impending calamity. True to Elijah's words, the Philistines and Arabians attack, devastating the kingdom and taking Jehoram's family captive, sparing only his youngest son, Ahaziah. Adding to his woes, Jehoram suffers from an incurable disease, ultimately dying in disgrace. The narrative shifts to Ahaziah, Jehoram's son, who reigns briefly, guided by his mother Athaliah's counsel. His alliance with the house of Ahab ends abruptly when Jehu executes him during his purge against Ahab's lineage. With Ahaziah dead, Queen Athaliah seizes power, murdering the royal family to secure her position. Remarkably, Ahaziah's sister Jehoshabeth saves her infant nephew, Joash, hiding him in the temple for 6 years under the protection of Jehoiada the priest. In a bold move, Jehoiada orchestrates a coup to crown Joash as king. The people unite against Athaliah, who is executed. As king, Joash initiates religious reforms, restoring the temple and reinstating proper worship. However, the death of Jehoiada marks a turning point. Joash is swayed by corrupt officials, reverting to idolatry. Zechariah, Jehoiada's son, confronts Joash, urging reform, but is murdered, inviting divine retribution. The chapters close with the Arameans invading Judah, leaving Joash severely wounded. His own officials, disillusioned by his betrayal of Jehoiada's legacy, assassinate him. He is buried without honor. These chapters reveal the consequences of straying from righteousness, highlighting the enduring struggle between faithfulness and betrayal. Let their lessons echo as a reminder of the importance of steadfastness and divine accountability. From Doodle Divine, aspiring to make the Bible more alive, be blessed.